Shut up and sit down.
Yo people, welcome back to the hardware review, and we are with Lost Vape. Yes, we are looking at the Lost Vape Quest Back to Basics 100 watt starter kit. Comes with the ULTRA Boost X tank, which you can do direct to lung and also mouth to lung. It's a 100 watt device, and it comes in some absolute funky designs. I quite like that. It reminds me of an 80s bag, you know, the one that you used to hang over your shoulder. You can also get it in camo. Well, let's get this review on the road. We know how it all goes, people. This is the box. That's everything you do get in the box. And that was the box. So, the ULTRA Boost X tank. I quite like the look of it. I quite like the silver look of it. You've got a nice little bit of knurling at the bottom so you can unscrew it. Nice little look at the top. It is a 510 drip tip, and like I said to you, it is direct lung and also mouth to lung. So they give you two drip tips. So you've got your 510 direct to lung, and you have also got your mouth to lung, which I quite like the look of that for a mouth to lung tank. There we go. It is a top fill. Let's put this one back on. Now, a few reviewers have said that they've had problems with this, like opening up in the pocket, but I haven't. As you can see, that is quite hard to push across. So I've had no problems at all. Nice big juice well in there, or juice port. I've had no airlocks or anything like that. You get a 2mm straight glass, or that's what you'll get if it's TPD compliant, and you also get a 4mm bubble glass as well. To get into it, just unscrew at the bottom like that. The coil fits at the bottom. Just pull that out. It is push and pull. I'll say that and I won't be able to pull it out. There we go. Now the coils that you get with this, the one that's pre-installed is a 2 ohm coil. It is mesh, and that's best between 40 and 60 watts. There you go. You can see that mesh in there. And you also get a 1 ohm coil that is canthal, and this is your mouth to lung coil. There we go. Again, when you either coil, make sure you prime it up, leave it for 5 minutes, and then you are ready to go. There you go, nice tight hole. Shouldn't really say things like that. Again, very simple to put back in. Make sure you've got your, like on your chamber, you've got your gaps of where your wicking holes are. There you go. Have a little closer look in there. So make sure that when you do push it back in, like that, you've got your wicking holes in there, if you'll be able to see it. There we go. Make sure they're actually where the check, so that obviously the juice can go into them. You can get an RBA section for this. It doesn't actually come in the kit. Again, I wish they would put these sort of things in the kit, but they don't do. But you can actually get an RBA section, and there is other coils as well. The ULTRA Boost coils. You can get different types of coils for it. I think there's like a 0.6 as well and a 0.3. Right, the airflow. Let's have a little look. Obviously, for your direct to lung, you've got the slit airflow there. You can dial that in nicely, and it is mirrored on both sides, and it does lock off. And as you'll be able to see, you have got the holes as well for your mouth to lung, and you can really dial that in as well. Like I did say, I didn't tighten that properly, but like I did say, it does lock off, and it is mirrored either side. If you have a little look at the bottom, just tell you that it is a Lost Vape. Don't vape in a bin, and you've also got your kite marks. It's a non-adjustable 510 gold plated, and it is slightly protruding, but obviously you wouldn't put it on a hybrid mechanical mod. And that's roughly the tank itself. So the Back to Basics Lost Vape mod. The design on this, and this is the vintage style. You also can get the camo style. The vintage style on this one, it really does make me remember of like bags in the 80s. Like everybody used to have, you know, like they used to hang them over the shoulder. It just reminds me of one of them bags. And it's sort of like a material look, but it's got like a rubber feel to it. Yeah, it just really reminds me of them 80s bags. Just say that it's Lost Vape on that side. Exactly the same design on the other side. And you've got the Back to Basics. It is made out of a zinc alloy. On the top, let you have a little look. It is a spring-loaded 510 connection. The biggest ATI that you're going to fit on there is a 25mm. If we have a little look on the bottom, a bit closer for you, You've got your kite marks, don't vape in a bin, designed and manufactured by Lost Vape Limited, and you've got some battery venting. If you have a little look there, you've got like a thumb bit there where you open up your battery door. Just open it up like this. Now, please do not panic. That battery has got a wrap on it. It is a clear wrap. Please remember your battery safety. Make sure you do check all your wraps and make sure there's no nicks in them or anything like that. I don't want people going, oh no, he's got a battery with no wrap on it. It has got a wrap on it. It's just one of the clear ones. Your plus and your minus. The door isn't janky at all. You've got some warnings on there. Make sure you line it up and it clicks on. And as you can see, doesn't move at all. Right, let's have a little look on the front. You have got your fire button, you've got your screen, you've got your plus and your minus, and you have also got your menu or select button. It is Type-C charging. Obviously, I recommend that you charge all your batteries externally, but if you're caught on the go, it is Type-C, so big plus for that. As normal, 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. Come up with Lost Vape. Now on the front, if we go a little bit closer, you'll be able to see you've got your battery indicator, you've got your ohms, you've got your power, or if it's in temperature control, you can change the colours. I'll show you that in a second. I ain't got the ATI on here. You've also got how many seconds you've took a drag for, and also your puff counter. Now, this is so simple. The menu on this is so simple. So what you do is, if you adjust to that, you'll see that it's turned red. So now you can go into it. You've got your, if I press that, you've got your wattage, and then you've got your voltage, you've got your nickel, you've got your titanium, you have got, I'm trying to look at that, you've got your stainless steel, and then you're back to your power. Press your fire button, and that's selected. To move your wattage up and down, it goes up in 5-watt increments, goes all the way up to 100 watts. And it does round robin. There we go. Now, to lock the device, if you press the select button, that's what we're going to call it, and the plus button, like that, it is locked. If you press it again, it's unlocked. Now, if you long hold press this, now you can change the different colours. Now, the select button, if you hold it in, you can see it'll go through all the different colours on your screen. There we go. I do like that. I like that little function they've got there. We haven't actually got any puffs on that counter because I've already cleared it. But if you press the select button and the minus, it will clear the puff counter as well. So that was the Lost Vape Quest Back to Basics. I do like the look of this mod, I really do. And it fits lovely in your hand. We've got to get it in. It is ergonomical. It does fit in your hand quite nicely. Right, let's go top to bottom like we normally do. We'll start off with the tank. It is the ULTRA Boost X tank. Now, it comes with direct to lung coils, which are 40 to 60 watts. That's a 2 ohm. And it also comes with a mouth to lung coil. That's between 8 and 15 watts. Comes with 2 different drip tips. I've got the mouth to lung coil in there at the minute. I do quite like these sort of pointed drip tips, but you do get a normal 510 drip tip with it. The airflow, you can really dial it in for a restricted direct to lung. It's quite an airy direct to lung when you've got it wide open, but you can dial it in. You've got your slit airflow and also your dot airflow. Now, when you're using it as a mouth to lung, at the minute I've got some of the new pod salts range, which is the Nexus. This one is called Fuji Blend. It's quite nice, got a bit of peach in it. Now, I've got the airflow wide open, and I've got the, it is a 1 ohm coil in there. I had to check there. A 1 ohm coil. Restricted direct to lung, that, with it being wide open. Decent clouds, decent flavour. It's not. I'm not going to shout about it. I'm not going to tell you that it's the best flavour in the world, because it isn't, but it isn't bad flavour. I've tasted a hell of a lot worse. And that goes for the 2 ohm coil as well. That's at 15 watts. Not bad flavour and not bad clouds. Now, when you dial that in, as you saw, you've got 2 little holes. When you dial that into the last hole, you can't like half do the last hole. It locks off and you've just got that hole. Really good mouth to lung vape. Now, like I did say to you, you can get an RBA section for this. It doesn't come in the kit. I would like to see these sort of things put into the kit. I don't know why they don't do it. Obviously, so you have to buy it as an extra, but come on, stick it in the kit. So, again, I would like to have seen that. So that's a bit of a con for me there. But yeah, all in all, it's not bad flavour and it's not bad clouds either, as you can see. The whole device is built for low wattage vaping. It's for that starter kit. You might have been on a pod system or something like that and you wanted to move up a little bit. Single 18650, Type-C charging on there. I do recommend that you charge your batteries in an external charger. Really well made. It feels really, really nice in your hand. It is a 24mm Atty on there. It sort of bends up, as you can see at the top. And then it's got like a raised platform. It sort of like comes out so it fits the tank on it. Some people aren't going to like that. I don't particularly mind it, but maybe it would have looked nice if they'd have just leveled it off. No jankiness, nice buttons. The menu is so simple. You can even change colours. Look how bright that screen is. That screen is really, really bright. You've got the one menu button. You've only got to press that and it lights up red. You can move around. You've got wattage, voltage and temperature control. So you've got everything you really want from this. You can mount a lung, you can direct a lung, and you can rebuild it as well. Oh no, I really do like the colours of it. This is the classic. I will just stick them above my shoulder. And you can also get a camo version. Well, if I'm going to lean that way. And stick that up. No, that way. I don't even know where I'm sticking it up. Leave that right there, Aiden. Up there. So you've got the camo version. You've also got the classic. Like I said, it just reminds me of that 80s bag. I do like it. It's got a nice material. It looks like it is actually material, but it isn't. It's some sort of rubber. I have spilt juice on it, and there's no staining or anything like that. Fits nice in your hand. Yeah. I like it. I really do like it. I'm actually giving this away in my members draw. Well, you're not allowed to say that on YouTube. On my best members, they're going to get that. They'll shout at me for that. So yeah, all in all, big thumbs up for Lost Vape. The quest back to basics, and now it is back to basics. This is for somebody who is coming on to maybe coming off the pod systems or something like that, or the pen designs, and they want something a little bit different. They've got everything they want there. They can, if they're mouth to lung already, they can straight away do it. And if they want to start moving on to direct to lung, they can do it. Absolutely fantastic. Big shout out to SourceMore. I will be putting a little code down here. It gets you a little bit of money off. Big shout out to SourceMore for sending this out. I can't put any links down to SourceMore because YouTube don't like it. But you can go over to SourceMore and source it. Do you like how I played that? A little play on words there. Well, people, this has been another review by Little Bro Vapes. If you like the review, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. The subscribe buttons in the corner. It'll press to get to that new magic number. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Go and hit me up, people. If you want to join the madness, that is Little Bro. Press that join button, and you get your name at the beginning of the video. You get extra videos, and you get all sorts of extras. Go and join the madness and the Little Bro Vapes family. Support the channel. Big love, everybody, and one last thing to say. Keep them juices flowing. Don't forget to check out my latest video. Also, don't forget to check out 3 Men and a Vape Show live at 8 PM every Wednesday. And also, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll catch you later.